In this video, you'll learn how to activate your Chase Sapphire Reserve Priority Pass in just a few minutes, so you can start enjoying free access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide. First, log into your Chase account at chase.com or open the Chase mobile app. Make sure your Chase Sapphire Reserve card is already activated and ready to use before you start the Priority Pass enrollment process. Next, go to the Benefits section of your Chase Sapphire Reserve account. Scroll down until you find the Priority Pass Select Membership option, then click Enroll Now to start your free activation process instantly. Now, Chase will redirect you to the Priority Pass website. Fill out your personal information, confirm your Chase Sapphire Reserve details, and submit your enrollment. The process only takes a couple of minutes to complete. After that, wait for your Priority Pass membership to be confirmed. You'll receive an email with your membership number, and your physical card will arrive by mail within 10 to 15 business days at your home address. Once you're approved, download the Priority Pass app on your phone. Log in with your new credentials to access a digital version of your card, find lounges near you, and check in instantly at any participating airport worldwide. And that's it. Your Chase Sapphire Reserve Priority Pass is now active, and you're ready to enjoy premium lounge access on every trip you take.